reading, watching movies, and visiting her grandmother's house. She enjoys her grandmother's relishing food and excels in mathematics. Her ideal person is family-oriented, kind, smart, and confident. Leanne aspires to travel to Switzerland and aims to become a general surgeon. Her motto is, everything happens for a reason. Have no fear because Sarah Forge is here. And now, played on ice skates, where two teams of 6 players compete to score by shooting a puck into the opponent's net. The game involves speed, strategy, and physical contact. It is the national winter sport of Canada. It is an Olympic sport that is very popular in Canada, the United States, and several European countries. Ice hockey is a game between two teams who wear skates and compete on an ice rink. Each team usually has 6 players. The object is to propel the puck past the goal line and into a net target. But a goaltender, ice hockey is popular for its speed and frequent physical contact. And the game involves speed, strategy, and of course, physical contact. The national winter sport of Canada.
Number 3.
Okay. Candidate number 3 choose number 3. Picture reveal, please. Take a look. Are you ready?
Yes, Bob.
Your time starts now.
The picture shows Reno settlement in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Focusing, showing both attention and effort toward resolution. Stopping a Reno is complex, but it is possible through a combination of prevention, mediation, and community empowerment. We should stop Reno because it's not just about ending a feud. It's about saving lives, protecting the next generations, and building a community where progress and peace are possible. Because I am a woman of PFCI who hardly believes that peace is not just the absence of conflict. It is the presence of safety, trust, and hope for the future. Thank you.
USA Excellence 2025 is Miss
damit niya, no? Proud.